Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will discuss transistor circuit configurations. They are of three types: common base, common emitter and common collector. In this video, we will discuss just common base circuit configuration. This is called common base because base is common in both input side and output side. We are giving input signal between emitter and base and taking output between base and collector. So base is common in both sides. So that's why it is called common base configuration. To amplify an input signal, we will operate the transistor in active region. So we will provide forward biasing to emitter base junction and reverse biasing to base collector junction. In common base, IB is the base current and base is common. So input current is IE and output current is IC because IC is flowing through RL and we are taking output across RL. Now we will discuss current amplification factor of common base circuit configuration. First, we should know what is current amplification factor. Actually, current amplification factor is the measure of quality of the transistor. So, current amplification factor is defined as ratio of output current to input current. Here, the output current is IC and the input current is IE because we are giving input signal this side and base is common. So, current amplification factor in CB configuration is represented by alpha and it is IC upon IE. Higher the value of current amplification factor, better is the transistor. Now from this equation 1, we can write IC equals to alpha IE and we know IE equals to IC plus IB because flow of majority charge carriers in emitter towards the junction constitute emitter current and these majority charge carrier goes to base and then collector. Here they combine with the holes and constitute base current and rest of the majority charge carrier means electron here goes to collector that constitute IC means collector current. So IE equals to IB plus IC. Now we will derive equation to find IB. We will use this equation and this equation. We will put the value of this IC in this equation here. So the equation becomes this one. Here now the IB equals to IE minus alpha IE. IB equals to IE is taken common. Now in bracket 1 minus alpha. So this is the equation to find IB of common base configuration. The complete equation for the output current IC is equals to alpha IE. This current is due to only majority charge carriers plus ICBO and this current is due to flow of minority charge carriers. Here we have used subscript ICBO. This is collector base current when emitter is open. Now we'll see how this current ICBO flows in the circuit and added to alpha I means current due to majority charge carriers. This is NPN transistor and here in emitter current is IE because it is due to charge carrier that are flowing in emitter region. Then these charge carriers goes to base region and some charge carriers combine with the charge carriers here, so it constitute base current and rest of the charge carriers, majority charge carriers goes in the collector and they constitute this current alpha IE. Now suppose if this IE is 0 means this battery is removed from here. If this battery is removed from here, then emitter base circuit is open. Now only VCC is connected and this P and N region are in the circuit. So if we remove this circuit from this side, this becomes a diode and this diode is connected in reverse biasing. So because it is connected in reverse biasing, so in diode we know there is a leakage current and this is very less current. So in this case only leakage current flows in the circuit and this current is ICBO. And the direction of current is the same as that of the direction of the current due to majority charge carriers because as this PN junction is reverse bias, but for minority charge carriers in this region and for minority charge carriers in this region, this is forward bias means minority charge carriers here are electrons and this is negative and this is positive. So it is forward bias for that minority charge carrier. So electrons flows from this region to this region and constitute the current, and the current flows in this direction. So this is added to this current due to majority charge carrier. So the complete equation for the current is in common base emitter is IC equals to alpha I, this is due to majority charge carriers, plus ICBO, and this current is leakage current also. This is also called leakage current and it is due to minority charge carriers. Now we can understand this through equation. If IE equals to 0 means emitter is open circuited, then IC equals to 0 plus ICBO means when IE equals to 0, IC will be equals to ICBO means leakage current flows through the circuit. So the complete equation is IC equals to alpha IE plus ICBO. Now we will find one more equation for IC means output current. We know IC equals to alpha IE plus ICBO. Now we will put the value of this IE. This is IC plus IB. Now we will open the bracket and we will take this IC this side. Now IC will be taken common. IC equals to 1 minus alpha because it is taken common. And on right side this is alpha IB plus ICBO. Now we will take this term on the right side. So IC equals to alpha, this alpha upon 1 minus alpha, this term into IB plus 1 upon 1 minus alpha ICBO. This is another equation for IC. I hope now you are able to find the IB and IC of this common base configuration and also the current amplification factor. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.